Welcome to Present History, where we explore mysteries, hidden or lost knowledge looking for answers. We ask you to always keep an open mind. Let's get started. Have you ever heard of crypto-terrestrials? Everybody talks about aliens coming from space and then disappearing, but what if they're actually living among us? UAP conversations among people today are more common, and many people are making the argument and asking, should the crypto-terrestrial hypothesis be included in the conversation? According to a new Harvard study, aliens might be living among us right here on Earth, disguised as humans. These beings are called crypto-terrestrials. They are said to be highly advanced, incredibly deceptive, and capable of hiding in plain sight. Is it the woman who's sitting next to you on the train, or is it the guy who comes over to fix your cable, or are they prominent public figures? The concept of crypto-terrestrials is a term coined by researcher Mac Tonnies in his book The Crypto-Terrestrials, a meditation on indigenous humanoids and the aliens among us. It refers to the idea that there may be an ancient, highly intelligent, and technologically advanced species that coexists with humanity on Earth. Unlike extraterrestrials, who are presumed to originate from outer space, crypto-terrestrials are theorized to be native to Earth or its immediate surroundings. Crypto-terrestrials are speculated to be a hidden species that has evolved alongside humanity or even predated humans. They are often described as advanced survivors. They could represent remnants of an ancient human or pre-human civilization, possibly one that achieved significant technological sophistication but was forced into secrecy or isolation due to cataclysmic events or competition with Homo sapiens. They might be a separate evolutionary lineage, akin to Neanderthals or Denisovans, but one that diverged more radically and maintained its own secretive societal trajectory. Another hypothesis is that they are a future or altered form of humanity that has returned to the past for reasons such as survival, research, or cultural preservation. They could be beings entirely unrelated to humans, such as sentient animals, aquatic species, or cryptid-like creatures, little people from folklore, that have developed intelligence and a hidden culture. Where do they reside on Earth? Crypto-terrestrials are thought to reside in remote or hidden locations that minimize contact with human civilization. Possible habitats include underground, subterranean worlds, such as vast cave systems or engineered underground cities, are frequently proposed as their homes. Legends of underground dwellers like the Agartha myth or the Darrow of Richard Shaver's stories are sometimes linked to this idea. Oceans and deep waters. The vast unexplored depths of Earth's oceans are often suggested as potential habitats. The notion of underwater bases aligns with sightings of unidentified submersible objects, UFOs. Remote forests, deserts, or polar regions could serve as refuges. For example, stories of elusive forest-dwelling cryptids, like Bigfoot, are sometimes connected to the crypto-terrestrial hypothesis. Alternate dimensions. Some theories suggest that crypto-terrestrials may reside in parallel dimensions or alternate realities that intersect with ours under certain conditions. Possible origins. The origins of crypto-terrestrials are speculative, but can be categorized into several theories. 1. Indigenous to Earth. They may have evolved on Earth as a natural part of its biodiversity. This suggests they are as much Earthlings as humans, but developed in isolation or chose secrecy. 2. Lost civilizations. Some researchers believe they might descend from lost civilizations like Atlantis, Lemuria, or other prehistoric societies. This implies they are human or human-like, but possess knowledge or technology that allowed them to survive and thrive while hidden. 3. Cosmic refugees. Cryptoterrestrials might be extraterrestrials who settled on Earth in the distant past. Over time, they adapted to the planet and became part of its ecosystem, integrating themselves into Earth's history. 4th. Interdimensional beings. Some theories propose they originated in another dimension or plane of existence and have the ability to cross into ours. This would align with accounts of their seemingly elusive or ephemeral nature. 5. Future humans. Cryptoterrestrials might be time travelers, representing future versions of humanity that have returned to the present for reasons related to survival or study. What do they look like? Descriptions of cryptoterrestrials vary, but some common depictions include short, pale, and humanoid. Some stories suggest they are smaller than humans, with pale skin from living underground. Tall and slender. Others describe them as tall, thin beings resembling the classic Nordic or gray alien types. Shapeshifters or disguised as humans. Some claim they can blend in with humans or shift their form. A few reports describe them as reptilian or insect-like, possibly due to adaptations to underground life. How do they survive underground? Advanced technology. They might have energy sources, agriculture, or bioengineered food systems to sustain life underground. Biological adaptations. Over time, they could have evolved to thrive in low-light, high-pressure, or oxygen-limited environments. They may have created artificial atmospheres or underground cities. Why they remain hidden. The secrecy of cryptoterrestrials might be deliberate, motivated by fear of humans. Historically, humans have been aggressive toward other species and their own kind. Cryptoterrestrials might view humanity as a threat. They may wish to avoid disrupting the natural world or their own fragile ecosystems. Maintaining secrecy could be a survival strategy to avoid exploitation or interference from human societies. Are there any real evidence or encounters? While no confirmed evidence exists, legends, myths, and conspiracy theories speak of mysterious underground beings. Stories such as the Dulce Base Conspiracy, Hollow Earth Theory, and Native American tales of the Ant People from the Hopi tribe suggest that there could be hidden civilizations below the surface. The idea of cryptoterrestrials remains speculative, but it offers an intriguing explanation for certain UFO sightings, strange encounters, and unexplained disappearances. What do you think? Could they be real, or is this just another mystery of the unknown? In summary, the concept of cryptoterrestrials provides a speculative framework for understanding unexplained phenomena and imagining an alternative history of life on Earth. Whether they are ancient Earth dwellers, advanced lost civilizations, or something else entirely, the idea challenges us to reconsider the complexity and mystery of our planet's history and ecosystems.